5 minutes with this foam roller could transform your life. Hey, it's Coach Becky here, and today I'm going to show you some exercises for your lower back pain with a foam roller. These are great stretches that you can do to help relieve that back pain. But stretches aren't enough. We also want to make sure we're keeping that core nice and strong. And that's why our Neuro-Balance therapy program is excellent. It's going to help work your balance and your core so that you can help relieve that back pain. So make sure you scroll down, check out that pinned comment down below, and click that link to grab your copy today. All right, let's get in and do some of these exercises. All right, so the first one up is we're just gonna roll along our back. Now I love this because it's a great way to loosen up those muscles, and you might even hear a little popping in the back. So this is, you get your own little spinal adjustment as well, which is going to help with that low back pain. So what I'm gonna have you do, take your foam roller, and here's the thing, any kind of foam roller you have will work, okay? You just want it to be wide enough to fit under your body. So it doesn't have to look exactly like this. So whatever you have at home or whatever you can find in the store is great. So what we're gonna do is take it behind you because we're gonna lay right over the top. So just start by sitting, okay, and gently just lower yourself back onto the foam roller. I like to start towards the middle of my back so you can kind of feel stable and comfortable. From there, just start with your upper body. You're just gonna lift your hips up just a little, and we're gonna start here. This is a little bit easier to start on the top. And then from there, you're gonna just start to roll a little bit lower. Now just go as far as feels comfortable for you. So for any reason it starts to strain your neck or it feels like too much, you don't have to go super far down. But by loosening the entire back, it helps to loosen up that lower back as well. Because a lot of times these muscles are tight and they're yanking on that lower back. So just coming up and down here, nice and gently, is a great way to get started with loosening up your back. So it kind of feels like you're getting a little massage in those back muscles, and it just helps to loosen them up. We're so tight because we spend so much time sitting at our desk and doing all these things. We just got to get that tissue moving a little bit. All right, so from there, so I would just roll up and down a couple times, maybe 5 times or so. Spend about a minute, 2 minutes doing this. It doesn't have to take a whole lot of time. All right, from there, we're gonna flip it on over. We're gonna do a nice full body stretch. So this is gonna look similar if you've ever done yoga. It's called a child's pose, but if you haven't, no worries. I'm gonna show you how to do it exactly right here. But we add a little bit with the roller just to get a little deeper stretch. So what we're gonna do is come and just sit on our knees. Now, if you can't come all the way down, that's okay. You can stay up a little bit higher with this if you need to. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is just start to roll my arms forward and bring my body down. So I get a nice pull through my back, and then I'm just gonna roll up again, and then just drop it down again. And what you can do again, if this is too much, you can widen your knees out. You can come a little bit up off your hips or off your feet if you need to with your hips, okay? So to do that, just same thing here, just reach, stretch. So I'm really trying to stretch out through my lats down into my lower back, really reaching with those hands, letting that head drop and just relax down, okay? And then just hold it there for a second, sit up, come out of it, shake it out, and then just repeat. So same thing, shooting for about, 5 to 10 reps of this. If you're starting out, just shoot with 5, work your way up to 10, just to really feel that nice stretch. And if you want, you can also just hold it here. Maybe that feels good. Part of this is about what feels good for you, what feels like it's loosening up those muscles and helping you to feel better. All right, the last one I want to show you is for the hips. I know you're thinking, why do I need to stretch out my hips when it's my lower back that's hurting? But what you may not realize, there's a lot of muscles in those hips that attach to that lower back. So we're gonna do a hip stretch, and that's just a great way to loosen up the hips that's gonna help with that back. So I like to do is take the roller and use it for balance, okay? So I'm gonna take one leg forward, keep the other leg back, and from there, just hold on so you don't feel tipsy or wobbly, and just start to rock forward. Okay, so what you're gonna feel is through the front of your hip, even maybe down into your leg a little bit, and I'm just rocking into that, and then coming back out, okay? So press into that hip. Now the key here is not to arch your back, right? We're trying to prevent low back pain, not create it. So keep your core tight as you do this. Keep your body up nice and tall and press into that hip and then release back out. Okay, one more like this. And then of course we wanna do the same thing on the other side. So just switch the roller over, switch those legs, and we're gonna just do the same thing right here that we did on the other side. So we're pressing into that hip, okay? Keeping the core tight, keeping the body up nice and tall. Press, feel that stretch to the other side, back up, just like this. Let's do 2 more together. There's 1, Nice job. And last one here. Whew. All right, I'm already feeling a little bit looser. I hope you are at home too. All right, so just doing this a few minutes a day is gonna help your lower back pain feel so much better. But remember, it's not just about stretching in these light exercises. We've gotta build strength through the core, through the legs, through the hips, through all those areas so that our back pain can be reduced immensely. So make sure to check out that Neuro-Balance therapy program where we walk you through exactly how to do that. So scroll down, click that pinned comment down below, and grab yours today. All right, thanks for watching. I can't wait to see you next time.